In West Ashley, a lot of neighbors complaining about overnight construction noise. It is loud and it is keeping them up.
Absolutely, that's right. This is part of the main road project that's included overnight bridge construction, and some people are worried that this work is going to continue to keep them from getting a good night's sleep. Our Jane Caroline Fusco spoke to several residents about their concerns and talked to county officials who are working on a solution. Jane?
Well, you can hear it actually happening right now. They started work just a few minutes ago, and you can really, I don't think that I could sleep through this if this was happening at 2 in the morning, no matter how tired I was. And the West Ashley residents that I spoke to today say that they're no stranger to construction noises, but when it messes with their sleep, that's when it crosses a line.
It started to sound like boom, boom. Boom, a rhythmic boom.
West Ashley residents saying they barely got any sleep on Tuesday night due to construction noise from the nearby main road project.
You're just like, you're so calm, you're ready to go to bed, and then something abruptly wakes you up, and then it just keeps happening over and over, so you just get frustrated.
And it's not just the noise. Some say they felt it shaking their home.
The first night it happened, you could actually feel it. I think they were working close to the houses, and you could feel the ground shaking, which was definitely disturbing things. My phone even fell off the nightstand one time.
For one mom, she says the lack of sleep created unnecessary drama for her daughters, who have to be at school all day.
We start our day at like 5 a.m. I have 4 children, 3 teenagers, and it is affecting our sleep.
One Grand Oaks resident says the project is necessary, but the late night noise is too much.
I understand construction needs to happen. I want the bridge to come in. I'm really excited for a better flow of traffic, but nighttime's not the right time to be making this much noise.
For now, the county paused all pile driving from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. through Sunday, meaning West Ashley families are getting some relief from the overnight noise as the county finds a solution.
It was good to get a good night's sleep without that noise. I don't know, we'd have been really irritable today if that noise would have been all night long.
Many would just like a heads up so they can prepare in advance.
Night is fine. I would just ask for some sort of communication. Even if it's a website we could check. Not knowing who to ask and just checking Facebook isn't the best.
I'm told that Charleston County hopes to have a permanent plan in place by Monday that will both mitigate that nighttime noise and keep that project on track. In West Ashley, Jane Caroline Fusco, News 4.